Recently on Geeksvana, we brought you the story of the Ukraine Ministry of Defence appealing to local residents of Kiev in the Ukraine to bring in their consumer-grade drones to help with the defence of the city. Well, the appeal actually ended up having something of an international response, including Henri Lindroos and his two friends, who decided to take things into their own hands and take over 140 consumer DJI drones to help the Ukraine forces.
Well, we had a team, and my role actually was quite minor. The whole idea started from my friends. Last weekend, they sent Kevlar vests and helmets.
Excellent.
A group of friends. One of them is my student in martial arts, and he comes from a wealthy family who has a long line of tradition for helping. He contacted me that he found this request from the Ukraine military to get this type of drones to the field, and he has established connections he's actually in Poland now, but he's has connections to through the border to some troops in Ukraine, and so he contacted me and my friends Tomi Keinen and Valtteri Koskimäki to get this project done as fast as possible. I was actually sitting. It was 11:30 in the evening when I was sitting at home about to go to sleep, and I got this message that now there's 50,000 euros worth of drones that they're trying to get the order through in this online store that has a 24-hour kind of reception. And he got the order through and asked us if we could go pick them up and charge the drones before they were sent, and also unpackage them and put them in a smaller package and put them on carry-on bags and
Excellent.
And deliver them to Warsaw, Poland from Helsinki.
What kind of reaction from border security did you get at the airport turning up with 140 drones?
That's actually still a question mark, because Anders had connections to the head of the security there. They weren't happy about the idea, so we did not get any official confirmation that the drones would be able to pass through. We were not sure if they would pass, and we just got the plane tickets maybe 40 minutes before the plane was about to go, or 1 hour before, or something like that. And we barely made it to the plane because there was an urgent need to get these drones to the contact. And well, we made it through security ourselves with a few batteries in the carry-on bags. And then when we landed, there was a really nice feeling of joy when we saw the packages. I mean, the packages coming from where you picked them up. I was actually surprised that it worked. I was surprised because I was reading at the requirements and I was like, this does not look good. But we just got trying to go one step at a time, and if it had failed, then we find another way to get them through.
Without giving us too much details about the Ukrainian side of it, what was the reaction that you got when you delivered the drones?
They had been very, very excited about maybe getting 20 drones from another source. So when they heard that they are receiving 140 drones and they're getting it like in a few hours from them getting notice about the possibility, they were very, very, very excited.
They're small drones, they're very lightweight, they're very easy to fly. So it's something that's going to give, even after about 20 minutes instruction, 10 minutes instruction, it's going to be able to give those troops situational awareness of what's actually happening in Kiev, and give them more of a chance to be able to just really know what's going on the ground, basically, which is so key, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure. They're going against a larger infantry, and I have a military experience myself. I'm currently in military reserve, second lieutenant in intelligence, so fantastic. I know that these are very important things, and when you have a smaller infantry, smaller groups, and that means that they're going to have to be spread out thin, larger area. These type of solutions can be a real help if they're applied correctly.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
No, which is absolutely
if they find the use and they train well to use them in the correct way, yeah, that's good. That's a good thing. The drone community is very important at the moment. I have come to realize that. And then when it comes to the funding, even though my friend put out the money himself initially, he raised the money back in 15 minutes from many different sources. So
amazing.
Now we're finding there's going to be a lot of funding for other projects we're going to be doing. So the money, even though you don't have the money yourself, there's a lot of people who are willing to contribute, companies and private people. So It's just about finding people who are willing to just put in the effort. And I think there's a lot of people willing to do that right now.
Check out the description for links to charities where you can give to help the people of Ukraine at the moment. Sean out.